So you're thinking of moving to San Antonio, Texas. In this video, we're going to show you around San Antonio, Texas. We're going to show you around the Stone Oak area, and we're going to show you a $1 million home, $2 million home, and a $3 million home. So you can see what $1 million buys you in San Antonio, Texas. If you stick around to the end, we're going to share with you one of the best kept secrets of the Stone Oak area. And we're getting after it right now. All right, today we are in the beautiful community of the Pinnacle here in San Antonio, a very exquisite and private community. It is filled with spectacular homes of varying architectures. And the first one we're going to walk up to today is this beautiful Mediterranean design home that you can see behind me. It is a 4-bedroom, 5-bath home, 3-car garage, 4,292 square feet. It was built in 2003 and has a gorgeous Keith Czars pool out back. It's on the market at $1,100,000. That is $256.29 per square foot. It is 4,292 square feet. It sits on half an acre, which is just beautiful in this very beautiful neighborhood. It is on a green belt also. Covered patio, outdoor living, front courtyard, which is very unique, and certainly a little more living area outside. It has a balcony for entertainment and travertine tile, wood floors, and all the amenities inside that you would expect of a home in this neighborhood. Has an amazing view from a very large game room and a private office. Also, one thing this home has is 220 square feet of maid quarters. So you can certainly house a very, very nice party here. Lots of entertainment and plenty to do in this general area. This is on the one side of Stone Oak. Many of you have expressed an interest in that Stone Oak area. Well, this is right on the edge of Blanco Road. You might look at one of the map tours that we have done and take a look at that map tour. This is along Blanco Road. I've pointed that out in several videos. And I'm going to let you take a look at some of these homes through the neighborhood. Slowly you can see the varying architecture. We've got this one here with a stone front. The next home we're coming up to has got a very unique contemporary design. They've been doing some work over here this morning, cleaning up the yard. And it's certainly just a very quiet, private, and beautiful community. And as you can see, it's misting a little bit today. We do get a little bit of rain here in San Antonio. You can see the tile roofs. Many of you out on the West Coast, I'm sure, would recognize that. The flat tile roof, and also plenty of homes in this neighborhood with the long time and lifetime metal roofs. But you can see the varying architectures, which are just beautiful and really make this community unique. It's something spectacular, a great place to call home, very quiet, and sits on the side of Stone Oak. You've got a few of the stores very close here, certainly very close to shopping. All right, we're going to head on to our next stop. Okay, we're at our second stop today, and we are here again, another home here in the Pinnacle. And I'm going to show you again some of the homes behind me. You can see the varying architecture, and the stone home you can see right there. So beautiful architecture, again, metal roofs, and just all the high quality designs that you would expect in a neighborhood like the Pinnacle. We're coming up to the second home on our tour today, and I'm going to turn around so you can see this behind me. All right, this is a contemporary design you can see right there. It's built in 2018. And this was a custom home built by Burdick Homes, a premier builder here in San Antonio. It is on the market at $1,999,900. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home and 5,107 square feet. And that is $391.60 a square foot. So you get a lot for your money out here. It's a stunning estate with contemporary designs all the way through. Modern open floor plan, custom fixtures, architectural ceiling details, and the finest appointments that you would expect in a custom home are in this Bob Burdick home. There's brick laid tile, wood floors, exotic stone, granite, glass tempered controlled wine room for those of you that are bringing some of your wine from California. The soaring ceilings, custom wood cabinetry. Chef's kitchen is just unbelievable in this home. Thermador appliances, which you'd expect again in a home of this quality. A spa-like owner's suite. Upscale outdoor living throughout the backyard, just phenomenal. You've got a pool and a spa with a swim-up bar and has seating around the pool for your favorite beverage and immense privacy throughout. All of that in this gorgeous, gorgeous home. So I'm going to let you see the surrounding homes to this also. And again, you're very close to the shopping. You're on the side of that Stone Oak area that seems to be a big hit here in San Antonio. If you look at some of the videos that we've already published that are right here on this channel, you will see that there is a map tour of the Stone Oak area and where this home lies and this community. The pinnacle is right along Blanco Road. There is a Target nearby, H-E-B, of course, for groceries. You can be there in 5 minutes. So we're going to head on to our next home, and we will see you there. Okay, we're at our third stop today, and this is the exclusive area in the Heights of Stone Oak. It's a gated community inside of another gated community. So there's double privacy, and you can see that the homes are quite beautiful. The home you can see behind me is, of course, contemporary styling. This one next to me is more of a hill country design with a tile roof. And I'm going to walk on down through the community here. The lots are large, the homes are beautiful, and even on a kind of a wet day here in San Antonio, it is still very, very beautiful. We need the rain, and that'll make our summers just a little more beautiful, I'm sure. So walk with me through the neighborhood. It is quite nice. I'm going to turn around here just quickly. This home on this side, of course, is under construction, as you can see. So there's still a little room to build in the area and, of course, in our beautiful city. But one thing I'd like you to notice is the mature trees that you see throughout. The builders are very careful. Most of these are certainly custom-built homes. They're very careful about not taking down the trees and leaving as much of the natural landscape as they possibly can. You can see perhaps through some of these homes that they've got wrought iron fences. So a little less privacy on one hand, but no wooden fences, certainly more beautiful. This is the home we came to see that's currently on the market. And as you can see, it's a contemporary design in this exclusive gated community. It's a 4-bedroom, 4-bath home, and it's on 1.5 acres. So those of you coming from out of state, If you want your piece of Texas, this is it. It's a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, again on an 1.5 acres. It is on a cul-de-sac. It's 5,931 square feet. It was built in 2019. It is $3.5 million, and that figures out to $590.11 per square foot. It's got a showcase grand entry with custom iron glass double doors, a crystal chandelier as you step inside, decorative ceilings, double hardwood staircase, an elegant Avalon marble floors, glamorous formal dining, Thermador professional appliances, and a chef's kitchen, and Brazilian granite countertops. It's also got custom handmade cabinets that you would just absolutely love. There's private lounging area inside of the owner's suite. The area is outside to access the pool and spa area. So again, another home, brilliant design with a huge pool out back. Carrera countertops in the luxurious master bedroom. The oversized soaking tub, large walk-in shower. Just too many amenities to almost name. A huge closet with a wardrobe dresser island in the middle, and a secondary guest suite downstairs, 2 more full suites upstairs. Very large game room upstairs, and resort style pool and spa outside. So this home has everything you could imagine in just under 6,000 square feet on a cul-de-sac, 1.5 acres, and just beautiful, just a beautiful, beautiful area. Quiet. You're just minutes from the golf course, minutes from H-E-B for your groceries, plenty of shopping and restaurants out here in the general Stone Oak area. I'm sure you've seen on our channel the other videos we've done in Stone Oak have just been quite a hit, and it's a gorgeous area to live. You're close to the city, and yet it seems so far away. And that's one of the things that people just absolutely love about this particular community. The homes are big, they're far apart. You've got 1 acre or more of land, and it's just a very quiet setting. Plenty of room to entertain, and plenty of things to do out here in Stone Oak. So that's going to be it for the homes today. I want you to take a look at the subscribe button, hit subscribe, hit the like button, make a comment. We'll answer you. We'd love to get back to you and love to welcome you to San Antonio, whether it's 9 days or 90 days. Just give us a shout, send us an email, call us on the phone, send us a text message. We'd love to be here to support you and welcome you to San Antonio. And now for the best kept secret of the Stone Oak area. There are 5 golf courses within approximately a 6-mile radius of the Stone Oak area. Canyon Springs is the nearest course, and it was designed by Gary Player. Sonterra has 2 courses, and TPC at the Marriott over on the other side of 281 has 2 courses, one of which was designed by Greg Norman. That's a championship course where they have the Valero Texas Open. And there you have it. There's your best kept secret of the Stone Oak area. So again, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave us a comment, ask us a question. We'll get back to you, we'll answer you. So whether you're coming to San Antonio in 9 days or 90 days, be sure and let us know and send us an email, give us a call on the phone, send us a text message, schedule a Zoom call. Be happy to spend some time with you, and we look forward to welcoming you to San Antonio soon.